Hello everybody. So turned out okay. Turned out really good. Like this one, if you can see, don't know if you can because the lighting is terrible. But this one was pretty good. This not so much. Can't even compare. But this one's basically gone all crystally, as you can kind of see. Come on, do it again. Kind of here, you can kind of see where it's gone all crystally. Don't want that. That's bad. But what was amazing was I did 11 of them, and only one of them went bad. But this is it, so what do we need now? One flour. And then you want to put some onto the baking tray, and get it open. That should be enough, I hope. Right, so then, oh no, it's sticky. This was a bad idea. Oh. Okay, I didn't think this one through. Okay, so, bad. Okay, let's try one of these ones. Oh, much better. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so this one's just come out of the silicone mould. Still fairly soft. That should be okay. So then let's just put this on it, like so. Make sure it's covered nicely, and then you just want to poke a hole through the middle. Using the corn flour to stop it. Using the corn flour to stop it from sticking to your fingers and to stop it sticking to itself. So there we go. So now we've got a hole. Made it into a donut. Now what you want to do is just squeeze it slowly. So then again you want to keep using. I'm getting it everywhere now. But you want to keep working it and making it bigger and bigger. But try and keep it even. The more even you can make it, the better. You want to make it as big as you can, but you want to be careful. You don't want to overdo it because you could break it. But I've got 6 attempts at this. If I fail this one, the glasses are falling down. Probably should have took these off. Okay, it's going well so far. Okay. Okay, so then when you've got it like that, as you can see, it's fairly stretchy. Then you want to twist it and throw it. And you've got 2. Now I've only seen this in YouTube videos myself, so I'm a bit precarious about it. But so far, it's working out pretty well. Okay, and then twist, throw, that's 4. And just throw some more in here. And like I said, the cornstarch is here to stop it sticking. Now 4 to 8. To 16. Look, we're getting there. We're getting there. Throw some more on there. It's going a lot better than I planned. 32. 64. 128. whatever's next. Considering this is my first time doing this, it's not going too bad, I'd say. Just try and make it all as even as I can. Like that, and then twist again. It's going really well. I'm going to keep going until I see how far I can make it. Wow, look at that, look at that. Look at how well that has went so far. I hope you can hear me. I hope the microphone is good enough. I am using my iPad right now, so look at that. Try not to pull too hard because I feel like I'll break it otherwise. As you can see, some bits are still fairly chunky, so I'm trying to just work them more side than the others. Not doing too bad though. Throw some more on there, just because I can feel it getting a bit sticky. Okay, and then twist. Oh no, that's where it went bad. Some more on the top. I think we'll do one more twist. There we go. That'll do it. Okay, wow. That's not turned out that bad. It's clumped together a bit here, as you can see, but where it hasn't, look at that. It's worked out pretty well, apart from this bit here. Like I say, it's a bit clumped together, but all in all, not too bad. I want to try a bit. Let's have a bit. Let's have a bit of the good bit. Look at that. It's like hair. Oh my god. That's really good. It's just like candy floss. Although, like I say, I'll have to try a bit harder. I'll have to try a bit harder next time. And be a bit more careful because, like I said, it's clumped up. It's not quite as even, you know. But hey, first time. So, but I'll definitely be doing this bit again, and I'll probably be putting up on YouTube. This one's hopefully going up on Instagram if I can get it to. So yeah, but that worked out really well. It's still so soft, look. But that is cool. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.